3, 2, 1. David, who's your favorite YouTuber?
Mr. Beast.
My little brother is obsessed with these videos that Mr. Beast does where they go out and buy people everything that they could carry, and he has been on me for weeks about this. So shout out to Mr. Beast. My little brother loves you. Today I decided, okay, let's do it. We're gonna go to the store and buy everything that my little brother can carry. So there's a few different rules before we get started, but my little brother is thriving right now and can't wait to get this done. Depending on where I'm going, I could probably spend a few $100s, or a bigger store with more electronics where we could spend thousands. Comment down below how much money you think I'm gonna spend. And if you could walk into a store and get anything you could, what would you get? Dollar Tree. 99-cent store. Goodwill. I'm just kidding.
Why is that a frowny face?
Cause that's a lot of money. I like this one.
You know it's at that store?
You can also get my products at Walmart and Target. And if we go to Walmart and Target, you're buying my slime. Yard sale?
No, bro.
Can we just go to the toy aisle? That's it. Just take all the Craft City products you want. Gucci. There's no limit. It's whatever he can hold, whether that's one item, David, or 100. So let's go and buy everything he could carry. You can't look, cover your eyes.
Okay, but I'm gonna
I swear that it better not be the one I don't want it to be.
Target.
Target! Target! I'm so happy! Oh my god, David, it's affordable and it has really like everything you need.
Yeah, I know.
Why does it sound like a sponsor? I'm dead. I mean, I love you. You can get my products there. Why do you look disappointed?
I wanted Best Buy.
But you could get a lot of electronics at Target.
Yeah, but I don't think they have an iPhone 11.
A what?
iPhone 11 there.
An iPhone 11?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, they do have iPhone 11s.
Oh, let's go. Let's go now.
You need to get what you need. Get what you need, boy. You do not need a cart because you can only use your hands. Okay, so the rules are, if you drop anything on the floor, you can't take it.
Ooh.
You can get anything you want, but you have to be able to carry it. If you touched any product, like this for example, you need to take it. You can't just touch it and go through stuff. I'm gonna get this one.
Yeah.
No, you touch it, you're getting it. Okay, on the count of 3, you can go on, okay? 3, 2, 1. David.
So you need this.
Hey!
You need to take them, David. You already touched them, brother. In your hands, you wanted them. What's up, David?
Hey, you gonna slap me or what?
Yes. I want an Xbox One.
Wait, what?
Wait, don't you got an Xbox already?
No.
You don't got one already?
Yes.
Xbox One.
You want the One X or the One S?
X.
Okay.
What?
I'll be right back.
Hey, stop. I'll give it to my friends.
So the only Xbox One X's that we have in stock is the Gears 5 bundle, which is $499.99.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
For what?
99. $500.
Okay.
You might want to carry it another way.
Drop it somewhere. Oh, you dropped any of that?
I want AirPods.
I'm not even doing anything.
Oh my god, David, I can't believe you just picked that up.
I want an Apple Watch.
You're joking. Can we go towards the dollar section real quick? We have some really cute stickers.
Oh, I want Borderlands 3.
You know what you really need? You need some clothes. Can we get you some clothes? Because you need clothes.
Let's go. Yeah.
You need to hurry up, David. Your arms are gonna give up on you.
I think you need this though.
Alright, thanks. I actually like this.
What is that? At least like He dropped the batteries.
It's over.
David, it's over. You can't get anything. I'm just kidding. So the original rule is...
Oh my god.
With the original rule, if you drop anything, it's over. You're done. You can't buy anything. But because I don't have a lot of people to play this with, and I only got my little brother, whatever he drops, he won't be able to get.
Dude, I think you need this, dude.
Don't do that. Don't. Bro, stop.
Stop. Okay, I have an idea.
Come on, David. Get moving, boy.
Let's go, let's go.
You have to carry it. And you can't put it down to pick it up.
Oh my god. David.
Well, I don't get that no more.
No, you didn't.
Drop
No,
your
you
slime,
did
Karina.
not. The only thing I actually wanted to buy.
I got it.
You gotta leave that guy though.
I know.
He's still got one slime though.
Bro, stop trying to get the plushie.
Oh, dude. Tiring. No, I want to have fun with it.
What? You're joking. How much is an iPhone 11?
Probably like 1100. If it's not on
No.
So in order for David to get the iPhone, he has to get it activated here and store it.
And he's not under mine, so he's under my little brother's.
Your
I mean,
other
under my
brother's.
other brother. So I don't think you can get the iPhone today, David. Oh, tragic.
I don't have my phone with me.
I don't know, David. I don't think you can get the iPhone today.
Wait, let me see that bead of sweat. Oh my god.
David, I never see you read a book ever, so I'm gonna get you this book, dude.
Wait, why would you get a random book?
I'll help you, David. Which one? Sorry, Karina. I had to do it.
Why? The more you stand around, the more you're gonna sweat.
David,
You guys have any Xbox Live gift cards? Oh, it hurts, dude.
David, your cheeks are getting red.
Can I have one more thing? Minecraft. That one. Oh, can I get another thing? Yeah. Can I get this one? Yeah. Mortal Kombat 11, Call of Duty Black Ops, up there. Can I have Just Cause 4?
I think you're good.
No.
David.
Overwatch.
you're good.
Overwatch, and that's it. My arm.
That was smooth.
Oh, give me those. I want those now.
oh, there you
Oh
go.
my god. Is this necessary?
Yes. I'm about to fall. Dude.
Give me that.
Where's her now? Oh, it's over there. $15? Let's go.
I want some flowers, though, please.
Right here. Maybe, yeah.
Is it heavy? Because you're gonna be hurting tomorrow.
Yeah, dude, it looks. I know it's not sitting, it's leaning.
Somebody left it, so.
Oh, dude. You might want to.
Sorry, this is a weird question. Are you a YouTuber? I am.
Oh my god.
Rip.
Should I just take this with me so it doesn't worry?
Alright, we are back from the store. What'd you get, David?
I got an Xbox One X.
Who has the Xbox One?
All my friends.
Xbox One, $499, $500.
I got these Gucci shoes.
$16.99 for pizza slippers.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, what is that?
The Turtle Beach headphones.
The headsets were $49.95. I got you some tops. Those were ranging from $10 to $25 because you need clothes. That's what you should have bought. clothes. And then you got a slime.
Yeah, like $12.
No, it's actually $10 right now because they're having a sale.
Oh, and I got this. They're Band-Aids.
Band-Aids,
The Supreme.
$6.99.
And I got
I Need a New Butt. What book? That book was $8.99. I hope it's a good book. Let me see it. I Need a New Butt. Mine's got a crack.
I got a plushie.
How much was this?
Fortnite Llama, $12.48.
Oh, your stupid games were the ones that were expensive. All games ranged from $30 to $60.
And I got Overwatch, GTA 5, Minecraft, just cause 4, FIFA 20 that I would probably never play because this man put it in my freaking box.
Why would you get it if you're not a
He put it in my box.
I got it for myself.
Mortal Kombat 11, I actually wanted this game for a long time. And then Watch Dogs 2.
These games are like sealed still.
No, we didn't steal, trust me. Dude,
I mean, I know I paid for them. They're right here, but like they forgot to take off the boxes. Just in your games, plus the headphones was $428 just in those games.
So I got a $15 Apple Store iTunes, a Xbox Live Gold 12 months. It's $59.99, and then the Xbox gift card was $25, and then another $25, and then AirPods.
Oh my god.
$40.
The basket? Are you keeping the basket? No, huh?
You can have it. I don't want
Oh, I'm actually really excited. I like this basket.
it. Okay, can I use the basket to take it home?
Ah!
Butter just straight up hit his own head on that basket.
You look crazy, baby. All right, David, what you think?
Dude, I got literally all the stuff I need. Thank you, Karina.
Comment down below if I should do it again with somebody else. Glad you like the stuff, David. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Meet my dog, Butter. This is Butter. He's only a few months old and he's a huge little baby. Thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Bye, Butter, baby.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.